Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you all the presents I got from my birthday. And there were some presents upstairs that I don't really want to get because there are already so many presents here. So first, my mom gave me a camera, a super duper good one for my YouTube channel. And then next, this Mario thingy Lego thing was from one of my friends. It's Bowser and his muscle car. It even has a launcher, but there's like fake bombs, but I have it. Whoops. And then after that, there's a lever to shoot the bombs. You go like this and then you pull it back. And then the next present is this Flynova Pro drone. This is super good. Watch. You flick the button and then it lights up. Then you shake it and then it goes into the air. You can also hold it like this. Kinda. I'll put it on the floor. It just goes everywhere. Ah! It just floats around. You can even throw it up into the air and it will float back down so softly. Ah! Okay, now that's the Flynova Pro. You can also charge the Flynova Pro too. Like the charging port is right here and it comes with a charger too. And this is the box for it. And then this is the box for the muscle car and Bowser thingy. It doesn't come with that though. And this is a card from some of my friends too, right here. And then this is from one of my friends too. It is the world puzzle. It's 1,000 pieces as you see, and I haven't started solving it yet. Whoa, that's 1,000 pieces. Let me close that up. It's super hard to close it up. Close that up. And this, my friend drew too for me. It says, I don't know what this says, but it says, happy birthday, you are a good friend. I don't know what that says. I don't know what that says. She's only 5 years old, so she doesn't really know how to write. And then after that, one of my friends also gave me this Minecraft watch. It has a camera too. You click this button on the side. It has a charging pod right here. Click this. This changes like every single day, I think. I don't know. And then it tells you the time. It also has these camera, video, and this like pedometer or whatever it is. It counts your steps. Whoops. You can click this to stop counting your steps, and you can click it on to start counting your steps. And this is a reset button. Okay. And then after that, we can go here to the album viewer. I just showed you this circle drone. I took this photo. And then after that, there's this time tools with an alarm, stopwatch, and timer. This timer can go super high. Like, I don't know how high it can go. 59 minutes and 59 seconds, I think. Let me see. 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Yeah, so that's how high it can go. And then after that, there is a voice recorder there. And then a calculator. 5 times 5, 25 just tells you. And then after that, settings, reset, brightness, volume, wallpaper, date, time, storage, and that's it. And then there were games. There's this hand washing contest. You have to get the most points by clicking there. My highest score is, and there's a time limit too, and each click equals 1 score. My highest score is 96. Yeah, so I don't want to restart. And then the next game is Time Master. You just have to tell the time, like if it's correct or not. 12, correct. Okay, I don't want to do that. The next game is Alphabet Education. You gotta match the uppercase letter with the lowercase letter here. So B, G, W, E, like that. And then after that, there's a math test. It's kind of like with the 4 plus 3 equals 7. You gotta say if it's not correct or correct. This is correct, nice. 2 plus 6, 8, correct. 1 plus 9, 9, nope, not correct. Okay, and that's really it. There's Sudoku, number grid, that you just have to count from 1 to 25 in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I don't know where it is, but there. Then after that, this is from my uncle. He gave me this ginormous racetrack. You can build it whatever you want with it. There we go. Let me reset these. And I'll try again. This time it's a throwback car, so you can go forward, backward. Ready, set, go. Oh, missed. I think it hit something here somewhere. Oh, that's a loud sound. And this is some test tubes. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test tubes. And me and my 2 friends also did the testing. This is one of the testing. We poured some weird liquids into it. It's like some kind of like growing jelly thingy that you have to leave for 7 hours in hot water. This is not hot water and it's not growing. Plus we added like weird liquids like Coke and yeah. And that's really it. And this came with that racetrack over there. And one of my friends also gave me this McDonald's gift card. It has $15 on it. And so, yeah. Now that's really it. So, see you next time. And bye for the next video.